Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. From today, we start with a new series of Focus 4th. Till date, we are done with 300 words. 300 words that are used in 65% of your daily conversation in English. Great, isn't it? If you have followed me till here, then congratulations. You have reached another milestone towards your journey of speaking English confidently. So, let's start today. Focus 4, the first video with the 4 words above, area, am, against. Moving on to the first word, above. A-B-O-V-E, above. Rise above, as above, above all. Same as above. Of every 100 people you meet, 5% of them are above normal people. Why? Because they set a goal, take action and persist. That means they keep on going and going till they reach their goal. Look at the above sentence. It shows you the door to success. Of every 100 people you meet, 5% of them are above normal. They set a goal, take action and persist. The kite was flying above. The plane was flying above the clouds. Health is above wealth. Birds are flying above the trees. While swimming, John kept his head above the water. The second word is area. A-R-E-A, area, a safe area, a quiet area, the area of a square. The football field takes up a huge area. We live in a rural area. Rural area means in the countryside or village. Do you live in this area? Yes. What's your area code? Area code is your PIN code. This area has changed completely. Is there an ATM in this area? The waterfront here is a beautiful area. Is there a beach in this area? There are no beaches in this area, but there are many lakes here. The third word is am. I am blessed. I am totally safe in the universe. I am happy and healthy. I am relaxed and peaceful. I am the happiest person on the earth. I am Ritu. I am a girl. I am wearing a pink shirt. I am smiling. I am laughing. My daughter is as tall as I am. Mom, I needed the dough. What am I to do now? Roll it to fulkas. I am good at multitasking. I am good at cooking. The fourth word is against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T, against. Rise against. Turn against. Go against. The war against drought. Racing against time. Pushing against the wall. Two rival cricket teams are playing against each other. The rain is beating against the window. You can't go against the laws of nature. Sir, it's against the rules to smoke at the office. Red shows up well against a white background. Tara spoke out strongly against cruelty to animals. If God is with us, then who can be against us? So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.